ICQ and MIRC, LOL, PDF, and DOC. DSL and LAN is a place to be. DOS, Mac OS X, and WinXP, MP3, VAR, and IPOD, NFO, MOV, and DVD. COM and ORG is NANI T, ZIP, RAR, and JPG, GIF, IMG, and PSD, GBS, OCR, and LSD, 192.16n.0.3, FLA, SIDD, and PHP, CSS, HTML, and TXT, BPM, URL, and MAC. I'm hitting CTRL and ALT. That's its private. My PC